Welcome everyone. I call this the butterfly effect interviews, and there's something changed a lot in my life is effect called butterfly. मैंने बहुत सीखा है butterfly से और एक थ्योरी पढ़ी है butterfly की मैंने that if जब एक तितली अपने पंख हिलाती है उन पंख हिलाने से जो हवा उड़ती है दुनिया के दूसरे कोने में जाके आंधी तूफान करती है बना देती है एंड दैट्स व्हाट आई कॉल अ बटरफ्लाई इफेक्ट. हमको मैनेजमेंट में सिखाया गया है सेम बटरफ्लाई इफेक्ट एंड ये जो बटरफ्लाई इफेक्ट है द मैनेजमेंट इज कॉल्ड Pareto principle where 80-20 80% ऑफ रिजल्ट्स विल कम फ्रॉम 20% ऑफ इन योर लाइफ. तो जो 20% चीजें हैं ना क्या होती हैं क्या हो सकती हैं. लेट्स लिसन टू मेघा टुडे एंड टू फाइंड आउट कि मेघा की लाइफ में वो बटरफ्लाई इफेक्ट्स किस चीज से आया है एंड हाउ बुक हैज चेंज. And once this is started, then I will give you the floor, and you can also ask questions from Megha from any point of the line. But the rule is I'm going to take questions in the end. So आप लिखते जाइए questions. Once this interview is done, I will go back all the chairs from starting and read all the questions you are asking. Now let me introduce you to today's author. Her name is Megha Darda. Megha Darda is an author. She is an author. She wrote her book and recently she released a book in COVID situation, lockdown. Released her book. She's a blogger. She writes fantastic things and she has her own blog. She's certified cognitive behavior therapist. She has 13 plus years of experience in different multinational companies. She's been working in IT company. She's an IT professional. At the moment, she's staying in Bangalore and working in a company in Bangalore. Her expertise in work when she works in IT company is into market research and analytics and FMCG. She's masters of computers and masters in commerce. She's double masters. Like you. 13 years of experience. Her husband is Mr. Amit Darda. She's a beautiful daughter and she's also a YouTuber. I follow her daughter, Molly. She loves reading, gardening, playing lawn tennis. Her professional burning desire is to impact more and more people through her work. So from her work, she wants to impact a lot of people in the world, and I love the way she's written her stories. So listen to her. Personally, her desire is to live a happy and fulfilled life, live all those dreams I thought one day I will live. जितने भी ड्रीम्स देखे हैं ना उनको पकड़ना है और उनको अचीव करना है. That's what she thinks personally. And her key to success is dedication, commitment, and hard work. So that's how I introduce you to Megha Darda. And let me open the floor and let listen from Megha about her life and about the book, why she wrote her book. So Megha, tell me a little bit. I tried my best to introduce you, but tell a little bit about yourself and about the book.
Thanks, Kailash, for introducing me in such a great way. So even I wanted to meet Megha after you introduced me. So thanks a lot about it. And before telling you about my book, I just want to start with two liners of my favorite song. So may I have your permission, Kailash, to start it
with?
So I'll start with this. मैं कोई ऐसा गीत गाऊं कि आरज़ू जगाऊं. मैं कोई ऐसा गीत गाऊं कि आरज़ू जगाऊं. अगर तुम कहो तुमको बुलाऊं. ये पल के बिछाऊं. कदम तुम जहाँ जहाँ रखो. ज़मीं को आसमां बनाऊं. सितारों से सजाऊं. अगर तुम कहो. So this, thank you. So this story is about Abhijit and Anuradha, who are in love. And Anuradha, who is from small town, and he moved to a big city for fulfilling her dream. After marriage, she moved to a big city, and how her tiny and big fears stopped her to take big action or fulfill her dreams, and how Abhijit and her family and her friends was always there for her to push her or to actually cross that limit and fulfill her dreams. So this book is about that. And instead of making it as a self-help book, wherein you have just go through one by one all the chapters, and you get bored after some time, because there are many books out on fear. and it tells you step by step what you have to do. So what happens, reader read that book till half and then they don't want to actually go further. So what I have done, I have taken this character Abhijit and Anuradha, and book is around them, and how those tiny small fears stop Anuradha to take those big decisions in her life, and then what tools and techniques can be useful to take all those big decisions in anybody's life. So this book is all about that. So instead of making it as a self-help book, what I did, I took two characters and tried to make it interesting.
Yeah, when first time I heard you in Bangalore, I remember then, I remember we discussing your book, and I had a goosebump when I heard the kind of book you wanted to write. I wanted to share some more about what fears you are talking about in your book about the woman's life. What kind of fear they face, they go through.
So what I have done in this book, I have started it from the time when for women for marriage different proposal comes. So what kind of mindset they have, like when people come to see for the first time, second, क्योंकि एक बार में नहीं होता है, तो कभी ऐसा होता है कि एक बार में नहीं हुआ, दूसरी बार में दूसरे कोई देखने आते. So what kind of feeling that women have in that scenario, feeling of rejection. Even though he is very good in her in all aspects, she is good in everything. Because we don't evaluate in Indian society, if you see, we don't evaluate men on those criteria. But when we come to women, she should be good in cooking, she should be good in knitting, she should be good in studies, she should be a career woman, and as well as she should manage her house well. So all those things should be there. So abhi koi dekhkar bolga ye thodi moti hai. See, you hear all those comments from outside in the society. So क्यों पसंद नहीं किया, ये थोड़ी मोटी है, ये थोड़ी छोटी है, थोड़ी काली है, ये थोड़ी पढ़ाई में ठीक नहीं है, बहुत ज्यादा करियर ओरिएंटेड है. तो हर चीज अभी आप बोलोगे कि ठीक है, कुछ सोच समझ के वो जवाब दे कि ठीक है करियर ओरिएंटेड. कुछ यदि हमने बोल दिया कि करियर ओरिएंटेड है, पर किसी को लगता है कि यार ये तो करियर ओरिएंटेड है, पता नहीं घर नहीं संभाल पाएगी. ऐसा है सोसाइटी में. So that fear of rejection कि अभी कोई देखने आ रहा है तो क्या करना चाहिए, क्या जवाब देने चाहिए कि सामने वाले को आप पसंद आ जाओ. So I feel it's not the correct thing.
It's a tremendous pressure.
Yeah. So from there it starts. And after marriage also, if you see, there are small, tiny, it is not about big fears which stop people for taking big decision in her life or anybody's life. Small fears which stop people to take those actions. Very tiny fears. So I just try to touch upon all those points in the book.
Okay, and what motivated you to write the? You are working in IT company. You have good job, settled in a big city, good family. What inspired you to write your book about this topic? Both things. So two questions. What inspired you to write a book, and if the book, then why this topic?
Yeah, so as you know, I have total 13 plus years of experience in IT. So every day I meet different people. So when I see people who are coming from different places to big cities to fulfill their dreams, so I saw many people, they have same kind of fear. When I discuss with them, okay, so even with the men, when I discuss about their family life and how it is happening, so I see how their wives are struggling. कि अभी जैसे बच्चा हो गया है, तो whether we should go back, or they have fear if they'll go back, what will happen to the kid. अभी उसको डे केयर में डालना है. So what kind of fears, even if we are sending them to the daycare, even if they are at home, what will happen? So all those kind of fear I can see on the floor when I talk to people, when I go to different seminars or webinars like this. So I saw more or less fears are same. More or less in initial 10 years after marriage is almost same for everybody.
For everyone. No, for women, not for everyone.
Yeah, for women especially.
Especially men may have less fears. They know a woman is there to take care.
Yeah, but still, see, few men, they don't bother. See, they go to office, they come back, they enjoy life. But few are like that. Even if their घर पे सब कुछ ठीक नहीं, तो they feel bad about it. कि अभी इसका भी करियर होना चाहिए पर नहीं हो पा रहा है, तो they feel bad about it. तो मैं बोलूँगी सबके लिए fear है, but yeah, it is more for females, I can say. But yeah, for males also is there. So it's book is for both. men and
So,
women.
but why in the book format? Book की format में क्यों लाना था? They could have many ways to do that, but why book?
So, as I'm writing blogs as well, I write blogs. So, blogs maybe I can reach out to many people, but I feel somewhere book is the way. एक बार आपने लिख दी तो it is asset for you. ये मेरे से ये एक लेगेसी है जो बच्चे भी जाएगा, उसके बच्चे भी, कि मेरी दादी ने बुक लिखी थी कभी.
बुक का लाइफ बहुत लंबा होता है. इंसान की लाइफ होती है 80-100 years. बुक्स की कोई लाइफ नहीं. रामायण महाभारत कब लिखी थी, बट अभी तो अमर होते हैं, किताबें अमर होती हैं.
तो बस ये थोड़ी सी छोटी कोशिश की है, थोड़ा बहुत अमर होने के लिए. बहुत बड़ा तो कुछ नहीं कर पाई, पर जो थोड़ा बहुत हो सकता है लाइफ में, छोटी सी कोशिश, और हो सकता है छोटी सी कोशिश कुछ बड़ा कर जाए.
हो सकता है. So you just knock the door, you don't know what is there other side of the life. So दरवाजा तो खटखटा दिया है, खुल भी रहा है अभी. Let's see. And how many years you've been planning to write a book? कितने साल से सोच रहे थे?
So एक चीज है जो मैं बहुत नर्ड, मतलब पहले से ही मैं आई एम वेरी नर्ड किड, हमेशा बुक्स में रहने वाली, ऑलवेज अराउंड, मेरे चारों तरफ बुक्स ही होती थी. तो वो वाले नहीं होते चश्मिश जो सब फर्स्ट बेंचर होती थी जो हमेशा पढ़ती थी, बस मैं वही थी. तो बुक्स से तो मुझे बहुत लगाव था, बट आई वाज नॉट श्योर कि मैं ऐसा कुछ करने वाली हूँ अपनी लाइफ में. तो वो बचपन से था. इवन आई यूज्ड टू गेट अप 4 o'clock, मतलब मैं 5th का रूटीन बता रही हूँ, मुझे कोई नहीं उठाता था. आई यूज्ड टू गेट अप मॉर्निंग एट 4 o'clock, 4:30 विद माई ग्रैंड माँ. तो ग्रैंड माँ अपना जो उनका रिचुअल्स था मॉर्निंग का वो करती थी, वॉट एवर लाइक रिलीजियस थिंग्स शी यूज्ड टू डू, एंड आई यूज्ड टू रीड that time 4:30 say, and then from that time only it started with my grandma. So that time I used to read all this Champak and Chacha Chaudhary, my school syllabus book, and with that spiritual books as well. तो मेरा स्पिरिचुअल इसमें रुझान पहले से था, बहुत पहले से, मतलब स्पिरिचुअल बुक्स अभी भी है और पहले से पढ़ती थी. इवन इन कॉलेज डेज ऑल्सो इट वॉज लाइक दैट. And in between what happened after marriage, I didn't get that much time because career था, बच्चा छोटा था, तो घर को भी देखना है, फैमिली भी उधर ऑफिस में भी देखना है, सब कुछ. तो I didn't get that much time. And now from last 2.5 years, actually 4 years, from 4 years I'm reading lots of books. Then 2 years ago I decided, see, I also have that potential to write something. So let me actually start doing it. And 2 years back, actually, I started writing my book. And in this quarantine, I got good time to finish it off. Yeah, so that's how
so you've been thinking to write from 2 years, but what happened in 2020 changed your life and you decided to write your book? 2020 was special one?
I met you.
Thank you. Thank you for saying this.
So 2020 में क्या हुआ, बुक तो बहुत पहले से थी, कॉन्सेप्ट सब कुछ तैयार था, मुझे पता था क्या लिखना है, मेरे चैप्टर्स क्या होंगे, कैसे मैं इसको स्टार्ट करूंगी स्टोरी से, एंड हाउ आई लैंड इट विद द टूल्स और टेक्निक्स, विजुअलाइजेशन. बहुत सारे साइंटिफिक टूल्स हैं इस बुक में जो आपको छोटे छोटे फियर हैं, आप कैसे उसके लिए फील करते हो और कैसे उसको ओवरकम करना है. जो फर्स्ट स्टेप में ही आप उसको समझ जाओ, यू जस्ट ऑब्जर्व इट, रिकॉग्नाइज इट, एक्सेप्ट इट एंड वर्क ऑन इट. तो वहां से शुरू हो जाता है ये पूरा. ये सब कुछ मेरे पास बना हुआ था, पर अब क्वेश्चन ये था कि ओके, थिंग्स आर देयर, बट नाउ व्हाट, हाउ टू गो फॉरवर्ड. अभी ये मार्केट में कैसे जाता है पता नहीं है, बिकॉज टेक्निकली एज आई एम IT पर्सन, सो आई नेवर गिव इट अ थॉट कि ये कैसे जाता है, पब्लिश कैसे होता है, या फिर इसका लेआउट कैसे होता है, या इसका डिजाइनिंग कैसे होती है, विजुअलाइजेशन कैसे होता है. विजुअलाइजेशन के लिए यदि थॉट्स भी हैं तो उसको कैसे पुट करूँ मैं उस पर. तो देन आई मेट यू इन वन ऑफ द seminars. आई एम ग्रेटफुल फॉर दैट. Yes, 5-star hotel, and we met there, good lunch I had. And so from there I thought ki, okay, let me start it in this way, very professional way, so that I don't have to think twice कि मेरी book publish होगी या नहीं होगी. Because once I give, and I'm that kind of person, once I've given money, means it will happen.
It will happen. One good thing I always remember about Megha is Megha registered for the program, and entire family attended the program together. I think, let me think on it. I have been doing lot of programs with thousands of people, but दो ही बार ऐसा हुआ है. Two times only. One Megha and there's another author called Sangeeta from Bombay. they attended as a family together, husband, wife and kid, all three attended the program. So it's a spirit in the family. मतलब ये अकेले का spirit नहीं है, पूरी family का spirit है जो जोड़ के रखा हुआ है. Her daughter is also writing her book, and your daughter is 10 years.
Yes, she is 10
She's
years.
10-year-old Molly. She's also writing her book. She's fantastic with the camera. You see her YouTube videos. She does a fantastic job. So let's walk forward. So when you decided to write your book, and we announced to the world as an habit, we announced to the world. So what kind of reaction you got from people? I want to talk both positive and negative, both side of it. कि positive में क्या क्या सुनने को मिला, negative में क्या सुनने को मिला, and how did you take both?
So I'll go with positive because I like positivity and so positive as in people know me as a person कि हमेशा कुछ ना कुछ नया करती रहती है. कभी कुछ बिजनेस का कुछ नया आइडिया रहेगा, कभी जॉब में कुछ नया करना है, कभी तो एज अ पर्सन पीपल नो कि इसके दिमाग में कीड़ा है, कुछ ना कुछ तो नया करती रहती है. तो पीपल ये भी एक कुछ नया होगा इसका कुछ कीड़ा, तो ठीक है, क्योंकि अभी आप कुछ ना कुछ जब करते रहते तो पीपल एक्सेप्ट कि चलो ये एक नया कीड़ा है, पता नहीं होगा नहीं होगा पर ये कुछ है करने वाली है ऐसा. तो मोर और लेस तो पीपल एक्सेप्टेड, क्योंकि इफ योर नेचर इज लाइक दैट कि you keep doing different things in your life, so people think you okay, she can do something like that. पर एक और एक चीज होती है when you are in IT, when you have family to take care and you have your job and lots of things around you. So अभी एक नया चीज है जो आप कर रहे हो, तो whether it will happen or not. So before giving से आप लिख रहे हो well and good, फैमिली के लिए भी आप कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं, लिख रहे हो well and good, लिखते रहो, एक हॉबी है, good. But when you are giving money for it,
Yes.
it means it should happen. Commitment you are giving, then it should happen. It should not be okay. You just started it and after some time you just leave it.
Yes.
तो ये भी एक था फैमिली से थोड़ा सा ये वाली चीज कि आप पैसे दे रहे हो तो उसको खत्म करना है. तो दैट टाइम मुझे भी थोड़ा लगा, पर दैट टाइम आई वाज लाइक स्टबर्न कि नो, आई वांट टू डू दिस, दिस इज माय ड्रीम एंड आई वांट टू वर्क ऑन दिस.
कोई नेगेटिव फीडबैक कुछ कि अरे फिर से कुछ नया ले लिया तूने, करेगी तो करती तो है नहीं, ऐसा कुछ किसी ने बोला?
करती तो है नहीं, ऐसे नहीं. मैंने बोला फैमिली से कुछ थोड़ा सा ये था कि बहुत सारी चीजें कर रही हो, क्या ये भी हो पाएगा साथ में. यू आर डूइंग लॉट्स ऑफ थिंग्स टुगेदर, सो दिस इज अ न्यू थिंग, न्यू स्पेस where you are actually jumping into, whether it will happen or not. Yeah, so that's it. Other than that, I think more or less people were positive about it.
Very good. So you are in positive circle then.
Yeah, I have a very good circle of influence, you can say.
Circle is positive.
Yeah.
So I want to know, let's go to book writing process. So I want to start from the last. So when you finish writing your last line, जब आप लिख रहे थे और full stop लगाया, how was that feel? अभी बस हो गया, लिख के खत्म, अभी कैलाश को बोलने लो, कब आगे?
I was extremely happy क्योंकि obviously अब मुझे ये लग रहा था कि मेरा काम खत्म हुआ है, मेरा काम हो गया, मैंने लिख लिया. पर believe me, it's not the end, it's the just 10% of your work. Writing the book, आप लिख रहे हो, it is just 10%. पर आपको उस समय लगता है आपने बहुत बड़ा कुछ आसमान पूरा छू लिया है, and you are on the top of the sky and you are very happy. Oh, I have done this.
Sense of achievement आ जाता है बहुत बड़ा.
हाँ, तो सेंस और एक अथॉरिटी आ जाती है, जैसे कि हमने सेमिनार में भी आप लोग ने बताया था, एक अथॉरिटी की यार ये चीज है, आप खुद अपने आप पे काम करने लगते हो. जैसे कि मैंने बोला कि ये बुक है फियर के ऊपर, तो दुनिया में हर बंदा है जिसको फियर होता है. हम ये बोल ही नहीं सकते कि इस बंदे को कोई फियर नहीं है, एक चीज से नहीं होगा दूसरे चीज से होगा. तो जब इस पे लिखा है मैंने, तो ऑब्वियसली बहुत ब्रेनस्टॉर्मिंग, बहुत बुक्स पढ़ी और मुझे लगता है कि जब मैं अपने अभी कुछ ऐसा चीज होती है ना, तो ऐसा लगता है मैं जब खुद इस पे काम नहीं कर पाऊंगी तो मैं कैसे लोगों को बताऊंगी. तो वो जो छोटे मोटे जो फियर्स थे वो सब चले गए. मुझे पता चल गया कि कैसे मैं उस पे काम कर सकती है. यदि ये फियर है तो मुझे क्या काम करना है उस पर. तो इन द जर्नी इटसेल्फ आई लर्न अ लॉट. सो आई एम वेरी, तो जर्नी मेरी बहुत मैं बता नहीं सकती क्योंकि मुझे खुद को बहुत सारे फियर्स थे जो इस जर्नी में चले गए.
I always call book writing is a soul searching process. आप अपने deep down अंदर उतरते हो, अपने लाइफ में, अपनी आत्मा में उतरते हो and find out what you are made to do and what you are good about. ये पूरा प्रोसेस होता है बुक राइटिंग आप करते हैं. और इसमें बहुत जगह आहा मोमेंट्स भी आते हैं, सडनली कुछ मोमेंट्स ऐसे लगते हैं वाओ ये क्या हो गया, अचानक से कुछ थॉट आ जाता है या कुछ ऐसा इंसिडेंट होता है। डू यू रिमेम्बर एनी आहा मोमेंट इन द प्रोसेस ऑफ राइटिंग? एक दो ऐसा कि मजा आ गया था ये?
आहा मोमेंट तो एज इन बहुत सारे थे जहाँ पे आहा कि मुझे लगा यार ये तो बहुत अच्छा कर लिया, मैंने सोचा भी नहीं था इतना अच्छा चला जाएगा, ये तो बहुत अच्छा जा रहा है। तो कुछ याद है मुझे, जैसे मैं और मेरी डॉटर हम लोग कुछ रिचुअल्स फॉलो करते हैं। लाइक बिफोर गोइंग टू द बेड हमारा एक रिचुअल कि जो दिन में हमने 5 चीज जो अच्छी हुई है हम उसको लिखते हैं। सो 5 थिंग्स, जो भी कुछ भी बुरा हुआ है वो याद नहीं रखना, 5 चीजें, 5 थिंग्स व्हिच वेंट वेल इन द डे, सो वी जस्ट राइट इट। ये एक रिचुअल था। और दूसरा हमारा रिचुअल था कि हमने बीच में मैंने एक बुक पढ़ी थी द मैजिक, उसमें था एक मैजिक स्टोन क्रिएट करना। तो हम लोग ये पागलपन बहुत करते हैं, मैं और मेरी बेटी मिलकर जितनी भी चीजें हैं, तो मैं जो करती हूँ वो भी करेगी साथ में, आई मेक श्योर कि शी इज डूइंग इट। तो वो मैजिक स्टोन, तो रात में सोने के पहले उसको मैजिक स्टोन बनाना है और वो कैसे वर्क करता है। तो ये चीजें मैं 2 साल से कर रही थी। तो जब मैंने बुक लिखना शुरू किया तब मुझे लगा यार ये जो मैंने एक्चुअली रियलाइज किया है, मैंने अपनी लाइफ में देखा है कि कैसे वो चीजें चेंज करती है लाइफ को। तो मुझे लगा ये चीज तो मुझे अपने बुक में जरूर लिखनी चाहिए। पहले नहीं ध्यान आया, जब मैंने सोचना शुरू किया तब मुझे लगा यार जब मेरी लाइफ पूरी चेंज हुई है इससे, तो लेट मी राइट दिस। तो वो मुझे लगा कि वो कहीं ना कहीं जब मुझे वो याद आई चीज और जब मैंने लिखी तो मुझे लगा यार दैट इज इट, मतलब यू हैव एक्सपीरियंस्ड इट एंड यू आर राइटिंग इट।
सो अगर आपको सीखना है ना हाउ डू यू क्रिएट अ मैजिक स्टोन, then you can contact Megha. Facebook profile भेज दूंगा आप सबको, and she is a magical personality for sure. तो एक और क्वेश्चन था मेरे दिमाग में, how many days did you took to write a book? कितने दिन लगे आपको लिखने?
As I've already
told, बीच में आपके घर में एक शादी आई थी, because of that there was a long break. I think February was the marriage.
हाँ, एक नहीं 3 शादियां थी। तो हाँ, so 3 weddings were 2 of my cousins and 1 real sister. तो Feb तो it was almost here and there. I started as I told in January itself कि इधर उधर सब कुछ चीजें थी मेरी। Then January when this seminar happened, then after that time I started actually merging the data which is here and there, and then January I worked on it. Feb I didn't work, and March, I think March it was almost over. That last phase, I think till March end it was almost ready. Around
60 days you can say that, you know, he worked. How did you manage your office work? Office में IT में deliveries होता है, book भी लिखना है, family भी है, और घर में शादी थी real sister की, तो जनवरी में वो भी काम रहता होगा. So how did you manage time getting for book writing? Do you had any specific time जो आप लिखते थे कि whenever you thought? Any ritual you followed?
Ritual as in मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि you should have consistency. First and foremost, कि एक consistency होनी चाहिए. Every day you have to write 15 minutes, 20 minutes or whatever. If you are not writing whatever you have written already, you have to just see कि what is the flow of it. So that context should be there. It's not like after a month you have not done anything and after a month you are opening it again and then you don't know what you have written and what was the flow. So that consistency is the key of actually making
consistency. So all authors who are writing the book, consistency is the key. If you are writing your book, तो आपको रोज लिखना है. Let's say there are some days when you do not get time. So आज time नहीं है, but you still have to open your book. 10 minutes spend on that, look at it, may not write it, just go back and close it. If you do not open your document when you're writing, no, then ये जो gap आता है ना, gap कब बड़ा हो जाएगा और कब इतना बड़ा हो जाएगा कि complete नहीं करने लगा. So do not allow this gap to ever come in your life. That's advice from Megha for book writing. Do you want to say, because you know Megha, I meet a lot of people who write book and they have a lot of doubts, करें कि नहीं करें. So as an author, you also go on in the phase, now you are an author, so what should be the reason why should people be writing the book? क्यों लिखनी चाहिए तुम किसी को भी?
So first of all we'll talk about why people don't write book.
Yeah, why people don't write book? It's a better
yeah. So if you see, कोई भी जब शुरू करता है सबके पास एक क्वेश्चन होता है कि यार मेरा राइटिंग स्टाइल इज नॉट गुड. क्योंकि व्हेन यू रीड दोस बुक्स, अभी बड़े बड़े ऑथर्स हैं, कई सालों से लिख रहे हैं, तो यू सी देयर स्टाइल ऑफ राइटिंग एंड देन यू स्टार्ट कंपेयरिंग योरसेल्फ विद देम. So obviously you feel whether I'll be able to write this kind of book or not. So when you read, it's always good to read, but you never compare yourself with anybody. Even if you see in the movies, प्रोड्यूसर डायरेक्टर बहुत सारे हैं जो इंडस्ट्री में स्टेब्लिश्ड हैं, जो काफ़ी सालों से काम कर रहे हैं. बट इफ़ यू सी द ट्रेंड नाउ, जितनी भी नई मूवीज आ रही हैं जो एक अलग लाइन पे बनी है, स्टोरी लाइन अलग है, अलग तरीके से बन रही है और वो बिग सक्सेस हो रही है. इंस्टेड ऑफ ये जो पहले जो चल रहा था बहुत बिग बैनर की मूवीज ही चल रही है, तो अभी ये सिस्टम पूरा चेंज हो गया है. तो ये बुक लिखते समय ऑलवेज रिमेंबर, यू डोंट हैव टू वरी कि लोग क्या सोचेंगे, मैंने क्या लिखा है. पीपल वेन, और ये फर्स्ट जो हमारे फ्रेंड्स होते हैं, ये फैमिली होती है, दे लाफ एट अस.
Yeah, I do. I also agree. They laugh at us.
So it's completely fine. Let them laugh. Let them give feedback. यार ऐसे थोड़ी लिखते हैं. Those are the authors who are like, they are using big words and the simple books won't work. But I am telling you, even if you see most of the books, अभी आप सुधा मूर्ति की बुक्स, मैं बहुत ज़्यादा पढ़ती हूँ सुधा मूर्ति की बुक्स, तो मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा इंस्पायर करती है सुधा मूर्ति. वो जैसे बोलती हैं, जैसे रहती हैं, जैसी वो है, तो मुझे बहुत उनकी हर चीज़ से मैं बहुत इंस्पायर होती हूँ. उनकी हर बुक भी पढ़ी है. बहुत सिंपल स्टाइल है लिखने का, कोई ऐसा शो ऑफ, एंड शी इज नॉट ट्राइंग टू यूज दोज बिग वर्ड्स और मेकिंग इट एज अ कुछ बड़ा सा बर्डन टाइप्स. यू कैन जस्ट ओपन एनी पेज, यू कैन रीड इजीली, यू कैन स्लीप वेल. सो it's about the story. So for any author, it's about the storyline. It's not about how you write or your style. For the first book, you don't think about that. You just have to have one story. That's it, and write it.
अपने इमोशंस को कागज पे उतार दो, लैंग्वेज से फर्क नहीं पड़ता. डोंट वरी अबाउट दैट. And I have seen an interview between Shashi Tharoor and Sudha Murty. Lot of our authors also seen. मैंने अपने चैनल पे भी डाला YouTube पे, where Sudha Murty says Shashi Tharoor, I do not like any book जहाँ पे मुझे डिक्शनरी लेके बैठना पड़ेगा. आपकी किताब तो डिक्शनरी के बिना पढ़ नहीं सकती. I want that to write a simple English, simple language, so लोगों को समझ में आए और अच्छे से उसको इम्प्लीमेंट.
करेक्ट. और एक चीज़ है, शशि थरूर के बुक पढ़ने वाले भी बहुत अच्छा है, यदि आप बहुत अच्छा लिखते हो. पर अभी आप इंडिया में देखो, 90% लोग हमारे जैसे ही हैं, who understand the simple thing. They are very simple, very so they can connect if it is simple. So I think whatever your style is, just start writing.
Yeah, whatever style is, start writing. And do you want to give gratitude to people in your life? Let's talk about life first, then we come to the book. But anyone want to give a gratitude, because this is gonna be in the larger platform, going to share it. So do you want to, on this live moment, you want to share, give gratitude to few people in your life who contributed to your life a lot? Say thank you. Any mentors, guru, family members, anyone do you think which comes to your mind right away?
Yeah, there are many people in my life. Actually हर फेज में कुछ लोग थे जिन्होंने मुझे हेल्प किया बहुत सारी चीज़ों के लिए. तो जैसे मैंने पहले बताया, मेरी ग्रैंड माँ जिनके साथ मैंने मेरे कुछ रिचुअल स्टार्ट किए थे, उनके लिए मैं हमेशा ग्रेटफुल रहूँगी. वो नहीं है अभी, पर बहुत ग्रेटफुल रहूँगी उनके लिए. मेरे इन लॉज जिन्होंने हमेशा सपोर्ट किया मुझे, मेरी कोई भी, भले मैं IT में काम कर रही हूँ, बुक लिख रही हूँ, एवरीवेयर दे सपोर्टेड मी. कहीं ऐसे नहीं हुआ कि ये क्यों कर रही है, ये साथ में कैसे फैमिली मैनेज करेगी, कुछ नहीं. So they supported me, my husband, my daughter, my parents, मेरी sister-in-law. So touch wood, I got a family, like they all support me. Whatever I do, they all support me in that. And mentor भी बहुत सारे, जैसे अभी मैंने आपके साथ काम किया, कैलाश जी आपके साथ, दीपक जी के साथ. तो जो जर्नी थी बहुत ग्रेट थी, because that open communication is always there. Open communication, that is the need of the day. If that open communication is not there, nothing works. So I'm really grateful for such a great journey. And with that, even I want to thank Rohini Mundra, क्योंकि वहाँ से मैंने 4 years back I have attended one of her seminar. So from there actually also lots of things started changing. So I want to thank her as well. So yeah, so and this list is never ending. First of all,
what I can, I've been listening to you from half an hour. I've been talking to you from 3-4 months now. When I listen to you, I remember a story, and it's a quick story. एकदम दिमाग में आके तो रोकना नहीं चाहता. I want to take it out. There was a small village. आप सबके लिए है जो सुन रहे हैं, and resembles that story a lot. So when Megha is when there's a small girl in the village, and there is a room in the village where she goes to this room, and she is very happy. बहुत खुश हो जाती है. एक गांव में एक ऐसा कमरा बनाया था उस रूम में जो जाता था खुश हो जाता था. There was a sad person in the room. वो जो सैड बंदा था ना, उसने अभी दुनिया के सब लोग उस रूम में जाके खुश होते हैं, तो व्हाई डोंट आई आल्सो फील हैप्पी. सो उस लड़की से पूछा क्या होता है वहां पे. उसने बोला कि उस रूम में बहुत सारे बच्चे हैं जो डांस करते हैं, कूदते हैं, खेलते हैं. सो आई फील वेरी हैप्पी लुकिंग एट ऑल दोस पीपल कम आउट. से बहुत दुखी बंदा उस रूम में गया, एंड ही सॉ लॉट ऑफ सैड पीपल, and he started hitting people, and a lot of people started hitting back to. And you know what made of was mirrors. In the room there were thousands of mirrors installed. बहुत सारे mirrors थे उस रूम में. तो जैसे आप होते हो ना, ऑटोमेटिकली दुनिया आपका मिरर बन जाती है. So Megha is such a positive person in life. She keeps feeding people. What's
Kailash, you are stuck. So till the time Kailash comes back, yeah, it's very true. I just continue with what Kailash was talking about. So जैसे आप होते हो वैसे ही आपको दुनिया दिखने लगती है. So that's such a nice line. So that's how it is when you are confident, when you are positive about your life, and when you are doing things you really like, तो आपको पूरी दुनिया वैसे ही दिखने लग जाती है. So that's very true, and I think Kailash would be back.
So we are the last phase. I wanted to ask next question, which is the last question from my side, and after that I want to open this for all of you to ask questions from Megha. My last question is, what is beyond book? What is your plan after the book? Book के बाद क्या करना है अभी? And I'm not talking next few months. I'm talking next few years. So how do you look yourself, Megha, as 2023, 25? Because you know, one of my gurus always says that we always overestimate what we can do in a year, and we always underestimate what we can do in a decade. So at least talk 3 to 5 years with.
Yeah. So journey is just started. So I want to impact more and more people in the world, and people who are struggling with those tiny small fears and are unable to take decision. As I told you, I've done many things in my life, starting from my job to my entrepreneurship to my book writing to so all those things. So I especially want to help all those women who have just started their journey in job, or after they got married. So they just started their journey. So I just want to help them if they feel stuck somewhere. So down the line, if you ask me in 5 years, 10 years, so I want to help all those people who are stuck somewhere in their life, and if I can be helpful for them in any ways, whether it is advice or in my book form or so I just want to help people going forward.
Yes, okay. So helping a lot of people, it's a noble cause, and we need people who are ready to give the hand. People who ask, who need. A lot of people need help. There are some people who are ready to give help. So it's a good combination. And I personally feel who is ready to help is the blessed one, because भगवान उसको बहुत देता है मदद करने की क्षमता. So God gives them a lot of power to help others. So let me ask if someone has a question for you. So Manonit is asking Megha that how did you finalize the topic of a book? आपने कैसे डिसाइड किया कि मुझे cracking the fear code, fear के ऊपर लिखना? How did you finalize the topic?
Yeah, so it's a journey. Like when I started writing my book as a story. So I just and I thought, as I told you, I'm working with a multinational company, and every day I meet people who are stuck somewhere in their life. अभी जॉब करते हैं तो उन्हें बिजनेस करना है, बिजनेस करते हैं तो बिजनेस में प्रॉफिट नहीं तो जॉब में जाना है. अभी आपका पोस्ट आप देखो आफ्टर डिलीवरी एंड ऑल, जब आप फीमेल्स स्पेशली जब ज्वाइन करती है तो दे हैव फियर्स कि अभी बच्चे का कैसे होगा, और यदि आप स्टेब्लिश हो आपके जॉब में तो आपको कुछ और फियर्स होते हैं. तो जब मैं लोगों से मिल रही थी तब मुझे लगा कि यार ये तो बहुत छोटी छोटी चीजें हैं, बहुत टाइनी एंड बहुत स्मॉल चीजें हैं जो लोगों को स्टॉप कर रही है. और यदि इसका कोई सॉल्यूशन हो सकता है, यदि मैं ज्यादा से ज्यादा लोगों से ब्रेनस्टॉर्म करूंगा, इसका कोई सॉल्यूशन निकल सकता है कि ये छोटे फियर है, इसका ये सॉल्यूशन यदि आप करोगे तो ऐसे वर्क हो जाएगा. So that time I decided कि नहीं, this is the topic of my book. It should be around fear and how to overcome it.
I still remember आपने अभी कहीं पे बात नहीं किया इंटरव्यू में, but even spoke about how the first time two-wheeler ride and four-wheeler ride starts. I remember when I used to tell my wife, go and start learning the car so she can be more independent in the city. But I can understand there are small things which stops. So there's a Piyush asking this question is, what is the very first thing we need to do when we start book writing? सबसे पहले क्या करना चाहिए?
Book writing, when you start, so I would say whatever come to your mind, like first of all, you just decide on the chapters, what actually you want to write.
You use our 30-day formula, Megha. आपने किया था use?
30-day formula, yeah. So I've used that.
Share that would be a good idea to start for anyone, any topic, fiction, non-fiction.
Yes.
So Piyushi, what we follow with our authors is, Megha also follow that. We have a 30-day formula where you first thing is you decide the chapters. What Megha was saying. पहले चैप्टर डिसाइड कर लो कि कौन कौन से चैप्टर्स आपको लिखने हैं, और हर चैप्टर के अंदर सब चैप्टर्स डिसाइड कर लो. So पहले एक स्ट्रक्चर बना लो. अगर स्ट्रक्चर बन जाता है ना तो फिलिंग आसान हो जाती है. It's simpler to fill the book, but a lot of people start writing anything what comes to the mind. Structure नहीं रहता है. So it's difficult. Every day, what will you think? Now Srinivas is asking, you wrote fiction, so ideally she don't. हाँ, उन्होंने fiction लिखा है, but it's a mixture of I get it into Paulo Coelho category. So I love, my favorite writer is Paulo Coelho. Paulo Coelho writes life's philosophy through fiction. So it's a self-help book ideally, but in a fiction way, story way, because we always remember story. So the question is, you wrote fiction. When you get stuck with your ideas, how do you refresh and make your creative mind work for you?
So that is the question. When you feel stuck, how? Yes. Okay.
So अभी हम स्टोरी लिख रहे हो, लिखते लिखते अभी समझ में नहीं आ रहा आगे क्या करना है, नेक्स्ट पॉइंट क्या लिखना है. So how do you refresh your mind?
So I think first thing is you take a break, just go out. When you roam, so what I felt, जैसे अभी मैं अपनी बेटी को भरतनाट्यम लेके जाती हूँ every Tuesday and every Friday. So I take my book and my pen, that notebook and pen there, and I just roam till the time she is in class. In that time, new ideas come in your mind. So I think जितना fresh रहते हो, you don't bother कि क्या लिखना है, क्या करना है. Just first of all, before making the chapters, one more thing is you just think कि you want to write something, और जहाँ भी आपको जो भी चीज़ दिमाग में आती है, just write it down. Whatever comes to your mind, so just write it down. Always have this paper, either some paper pen in your with you or in your mobile. So what I have done is I have created actually this I learned from one of my friends. So I created a group in my WhatsApp. I added my husband and I removed him. Yes. So now just I am there in my group. So whatever come in my mind, wherever, I just write it 3-4 liners, so that thing, क्योंकि अभी आप सोचते हो बाद में आप भूल जाते हो वो क्या सोचा था. So then and there you just write down. So that is I think that is the formula of writing. So,
yeah, what Megha is saying is, whenever entire day कुछ भी idea दिमाग में आता है ना, you have to note that down, either pen and paper or on the WhatsApp or SMS, anywhere. The noting is important. और जब आप book लिखने बैठोगे तो उन्हीं ideas को pick up करो, expand करना चाहिए.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah. Now Amarja is asking, after writing the first draft, how many times you reread it, revised it? कितनी बार किया था आपने?
Reread, I think 3 to 4 times. I did it, and then I asked one of my friend to do it, like my brother-in-law. Actually, he helped me to read. I gave him the book and told him to just read it from start till end, and he helped me to do that. So that I think 3-4 times, and when you read it again and again, you get to know where you are missing on something, or something extra is there, it is not required, or your flow is not correct. That first chapter should be actually at the middle. It should be your 5th chapter actually in the flow. So those kind of things happens once you stop writing and revisiting your book.
So there is a next question from Manvinder. She's writing. She's one of our authors, Megha. She's writing a fiction book. And what her question is, hi Megha, first of all the best for realizing your fears. My question is how to enhance your writing by putting emotions for your character and how to have gripping effect on the reader. So emotions जो character के उनको कितने effectively कैसे effectively लिखे ताकि जो reader है उसको पढ़ते समय same emotions आने चाहिए जो character को आ रहे हैं. What
See,
is the
it's,
best?
yeah, I feel it's heart to heart. So if you write anything from your heart, it goes to the other person. So it's whatever comes to your heart, just write it. It will actually connect to the other people and it will make impact.
Say, Mananda, she's saying heart to heart. You write to heart. And if you do heart to heart connection, now your emotions will come into the words, and those words would be expanded, and then a reader would be able to understand those emotions. I have a small advice here is, there's something when you do a storytelling, there is something called event setting. So when you detail events in events in detail, so the detailing of the scene helps you get emotions more, gripping. So that's what I generally teach. आपको detailing में जाना है. Scene, जैसे सोफा है, सोफे का कलर कौन सा है, पेंटिंग कौन सी लगी हुई है. So think this as a movie. So अगर आपको मूवी का अगर सीन बनाना होता तो वहाँ पे सीन का सेटिंग कैसे करते थे आप? That will talk a lot about emotion. So now we have a question from Mani Singh. Mani Singh is asking, can I write a book even when I am student, but I have realized a bit of wisdom in my purpose? Okay. So it is a whole lot of journey, especially for today's kids who are stuck in mediocre mentality, but I am not successful yet. Just the knowledge. Can I write the book? So what I understand, he want to write a self-help book, and he say I'm student and I have not seen life at the moment or experience कम है, तो क्या मनी सिंह अपनी book लिख सकते हैं?
I think you are the best person, so you can add once I tell. So I think anybody and everybody can write a story. My 10 years और क्या होता है जितने आप छोटे हो आपको लोगों का डर नहीं है. अभी my daughter, she is writing a book. So she writes whatever comes to her mind. Whatever comes to her mind, she writes because she never thinks what other will think about her. So she is free in that way. So as early you start, it's good. So you are, as you are telling, you are 20 or so. So it's the best time to start. So
So Mani Singh, what I will say, you try this out whenever you do it next time. Take a book in hand. कोई भी किताब है उसको हाथ में पकड़ना ऐसे, दोनों हाथों के बीच में. And close your eyes and try to feel the book. बुक में एनर्जी होती है, आप बुक की एनर्जी फील कर सकते हैं. And different books will give you different energy levels. I have read some books, content is okay. But when you read those books, you suddenly feel a lot of energy in the body. And you think you want to win the world. Now, why this happens, when the author is writing his book, he puts two emotions on the paper. And these emotions, this hunger inside you, this burning desire to do things in life, you write it down and this will be translated to the reader who's reading. So anyone and everyone can write. When Molly, our age is 10, she's writing a book. And I have some more authors also who are age 12, 13, 14. So I also think anyone and everyone can write a book. Nikhil is asking, did you write a group like Bookathon? So Megha is not aware of the Bookathon. So Megha worked with us as a team. We used to have weekly calls and to find out where the journey is going. But to update Megha, what I do now to enhance my authors and push them harder, मैंने अभी Bookathon नाम का एक event चालू किया. So every month first people register for the Bookathon, and every day I give them a task, book writing के ऊपर. And this tasks are designed in a way 30 days में book हो जाता है automatically. So Nikhil is part of that Bookathon this month. He's writing in May Bookathon. That's why he's asking. So Bookathon is Nikhil, I'm running Bookathon first time this month May. उसके पहले कभी Bookathon नहीं था. She wrote her book in Jan Feb वाले time में. So it was majorly weekly discussion calls we used to have with her.
Yeah.
But this Bookathon is helping a lot of authors, Megha, just to update you, to write the book. Because every day, every person updates the group. कि आज मैंने ये लिखा, इतना लिखा. So accountability call what you used to have in once a week, no, it's happening every day, but it's a posting in the group. That's how we are doing it now.
That's great.
Yeah. Any other question you have?
Kailash, when we just spoke about this energy of the book, I just remembered two things, two books which I had, and I felt that energy was changing my life. One book is Journey to Self-Realization. Even those kind of book, when you have it, even if you read once in a while one page, I think that energy itself flows. And second book is I realized when I got this book of Robin Sharma, 5 a.m. Club. So 5 a.m. Club. So what happened? I just got this book and I just read 2 or 3 pages of it. But I don't know what energy it had, and without reading that completely, actually, that my habit changed that time. Like 5 a.m. I used to get up. I start getting up at 5, go to play lawn tennis, and so I think every book has that energy.
So when I have one book, Megha, just to share with you. It's called Existence of God. एक छोटा सा किताब है. It's a small pocket size book. I keep this book always with me. So मैंने पढ़ी होगी एक बार, but वो book रखता मैं हमेशा अपने साथ में. My bag. If I go out of the city or travel, the book goes with me. And I feel that book gives me a lot of energy to live my life happily, successfully. Book keep me safe. मैं बहुत मानता हूँ किताबों को. तो एक किताब मैं हमेशा साथ रखता हूँ.
Yeah.
So book has a lot of energy. Manish Singh is saying थोड़ा connection slow था तो सुन नहीं पाए. So every one of you who attended the program, I'm going to upload this video on YouTube. I'll send you the link. You can re-listen to this video again whenever you want, and share with someone who's writing the book or who want to write the book, who want to read Megha's book. Another thing I'll do is I will share her link also with all of you. If any one of you want to read what she's written, then feel free to buy that book. I'll share the link with all of you after this one. So anyone has a question, or we are 8:50, so Manish Singh is saying, I want to help my age student to level up, take a leap back and know their purpose first. Manish Singh, the way you are saying the things right now with the age, anyhow, this is a big thing. So you try doing for others may or may not change. You will change for sure. But keep working on it. Keep working on the book part of it. Any need you need, feel free to connect with me. I can also help you the way I'm helping a lot of others. So I think the questions are done, Megha, and thank you very much for giving. I know you have a very tight schedule. You have office work, Molly, household. A lot of things are happening. You do a lot of Facebook lives. You are also busy with your circle now on the committed readers who are reading about you. So thank you very much for giving me and our all authors for the time to speak about your journey of the book. And whenever any of our community's author needs to connect with you, I will ask your permission and definitely connect.
Yeah, it's my pleasure to come and connect here with you, and I thank you to invite me for this session. So thanks so much.
Thank you very much, everyone, to join this session. And good night. Keep writing the book. All the authors who are writing. If you have not started, start soon as possible. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.
Read my book, Cracking the Fear Code. At the end, I just want to add this and have a nice time. Thank you.
And I will share email में मैं मेघा की बुक का आपको लिंक भेजता हूँ to purchase the book. Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.